Just having a look at this RXDI, I realized that we weren't getting the double beep. So I'm going to hook up another beeper that I have here just to see if it's a computer issue or a beeper issue. Let's check it out. So that is the beeper right there. Swap it out for this one. Tether going on. Confirmed. Let's take this beeper out and swap it out for the guy. So the beeper is up in here. This is really awkward though to get in here. And someone has changed this to a Phillips screw. I'm going to have to get a different bit. It's supposed to be these guys. Okay, now I think we got to take the handlebar grips off. Let me get some tools. 10 mil. Okay, that's off. That's off. Oh, yeah, that's the holder. Yeah, because I got to pull this forward. So there's also an Allen key underneath. Seized. Take it easy on her. And then there's a screw up there. Phillips. And the beeper's up top. Now we got to strip the other side down, same deal. And the buttons are stopping us. But I believe they just unclip. That was just the Phillips screw. Really, we got no length of wire here. You guys didn't see that, did you? And then this pops out of there. Now, I'm going to de-pin this. On this connector, there's a B and an A, and we're going A is purple. I assume this one down there is the same. this handy little tool right here. Got that depinned. And now this one here, same thing. Now, I'm going to find something to pull through so that when I pull this through, I can actually get back in there. Ooh. That's a tight pull too. I wonder if there's zip ties in there. I see the one zip tie right here. Wow, that one didn't want to come out. Still doesn't. Now I got to find a string or something to pull through. And what is going on with this thing? Ah, more zip ties. They're everywhere. That's better. Leave that in the bad pile. Grab the new one. Don't stime on the tape. It sucks when your pull string pulls through and the wire stays out. Garbage. And connector. Purple was on the B side. Let me just see. What a dummy. Yeah, purple's on this side, the A side. Yeah, so purple passes through. Do a quick test. There you go. Now we got to put all this back together again. The buttons just push in here and clip on with these. Good. And then that goes there. Goes on the outside of that ring. Drill. I need some more hands. And a washer is missing. Got one here. And this screw here, which fell out as well. Got that. And then we have this guy here, which is the bolt. Grip, you have to turn it to get it to drop in. 10 mil. Boom. On to the other side. Good. Now what are we doing? Handlebar grip. Oh, Philip spit up there. Good. That goes there. I need the little pin. That goes there. That goes there. And that is that. And finally, zip tie back on this boot. Do we need a zip tie down there? I don't think so. For what? Zip ties are a bit of a pain sometimes. There's the bucket, that's her. Final test. Final test. We got her, boys. Well, that was just a short video, but I wanted to show you what was involved in changing the beeper. I get tons of them all the time. Every time I got one of these things for parts, I throw it in the pile. I got tons of them, so I think you can get them for 25 or 30 bucks, but it's well worth having it because he wouldn't know if it was overheating. You don't know if there's a problem with the key, just like when I put the key in the first time and it wasn't on, you push the button, long beep, you know, the key isn't detected. So that beeper is pretty important. So anyway, that's it for that one. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you in the next video.